Welcome back, America, to your Caribou Data Science channel. First of all, a big shout out to the 12 people who watched this video yesterday. That's right, 12 people. I posted the video twice to two different audiences, and the total, folks, you gave me 12 views today. Thank you so much for those views. Of course, as always, if you haven't done so already, be sure to click that subscribe button and click the like button. Very important for us to get the likes up on the videos, okay? And third and most important, click on the share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link into an email or a text message. Again, thanks so much for the 12 views. Let's get on with the show. Now, one of the curious things about COVID-19 as opposed to, say, cancer or heart disease is cancer and heart disease uh, are only counted a year at a time. So on January 1st of each year, cancer and heart disease deaths are set back to zero. Be it for whatever reason, I think we know the reason, but anyway, uh, that's not true with COVID-19. With COVID-19, we're counting cases and deaths from the very first case and the very first death back in 2020. That number's going to, of course, these numbers are going to continue to go up because the vaccine will not keep people from getting COVID-19, and it may not keep people from dying from COVID-19. So even if we had 100% vaccination, every man, woman, child in America vaccinated, COVID-19 deaths are going to continue to go up because the vaccine doesn't keep you from getting COVID-19. And it may not even keep you from dying from COVID-19. Okay, it may reduce the chances that you'll die, but you could still die from COVID-19 even though you were vaccinated. Okay. Anyway, so since January of 2020, we've had 39 million cases. Since February 2020, we've had 638,000 plus cases. Now this is the cases for today, for the year, current year. Okay, that's one way to look at them. Notice this increase in July. Well, Sweden and Israel, uh, Australia, uh, Spain, all showed increases in cases in July. Is this the variant? I don't know. Deaths are also seeing an increase. Same way with Israel and Spain and Sweden. Increase in deaths for the year. And you can see here, so this is the total number of cases for 2020, 20 number of cases for 2021. Unfortunately, with 4 months to go, probably 20 August 2020 will probably catch 2020. Unfortunately, with 4 months to go. What about deaths? Now, there's a slightly less chance that 2020 deaths will catch 2020. There's a slightly less chance that 2021 deaths will catch 2020. Okay. But now here again, the red line is the 2020 numbers. The blue line is the 2021. We had a long increase here. Then we had a long decline here. But again, back in July now, cases started increasing again. Deaths, similar things. Deaths increasing in July. So what have we got here? So for the 7-day period ending August the 23rd, we were averaging 153,160 cases per day on average. What about deaths? Well, deaths are slightly less, obviously, as you expect. As of August the 23rd, we were averaging 1,163 deaths per day. And here you can see this 5 or 6 week increase in cases. But again, COVID-19 vaccines will not keep you from getting COVID-19. So here's a question: how many people here actually were vaccinated? Is anybody checking up on that? Okay. What about deaths? You can see deaths are increasing also. We had about 8,000 deaths last week, following a long decline. What about monthly deaths? Well, you can see, unfortunately, that August cases are going to be the fourth most cases so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deaths are still going to be well to the highest number in 4 months. They're still well below these numbers over here. Okay, so I'm going to count that as a positive. Even though it's 25,000 deaths from COVID-19, it's still lower than a lot of these numbers over here. So what this tells us is, on average, right now, for every 100,000 people, on average, 50 have COVID-19. Okay? What this tells us is, on average, for every 100,000 people, one half of a person has died from COVID-19. Okay, America, that concludes your report for today. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by, spending some time with me. Again, a big shout out to the 12 people who watched the video yesterday. Now, you 12 people, I need you to share that video today with your friends and your family. Just click on the share button, okay? And of course, click on the like button and click on the subscribe button. Thanks so much, America. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.